Hello, welcome back. So, as you can see from the thumbnail, I have another new project. I'll show you around. So, here it is. mk1 Escort 1100 basic, I think it is, or like a low model. And as you can see, the bonnet was caught by the wind in the last storm we had and gone up and hit the roof, but it's not damaged or broken or anything there, luckily. So here we have it. Take a bit of a walk around. You can see the sills completely rotten out. There's bits of rust all over it, but in general it's not a bad car. I haven't got much room here, so roof's okay. Inside's a little bit minging, but oh well. See better from the back here. There's the back of it. So three of the four wheels were seized when we dragged it onto the trailer. So that's going to be today's job, I think. Just a little bit of time I've got now to get these straps off, get it jacked up, see if I can free the drums that are all the way around in it. So yeah, a little bit of an introduction to the next project. It's a lot of work, a lot of work, but yeah, I'll take you on the journey with it. We'll see how it goes. So if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll see you in the next one.